the integration with PPM, we understood integration with CPM, we understood integration with EPC, and I will explain now integration with PM and MRS. So MRS is basically it is going to obsolete soon. So I'll just give you some idea. Otherwise, I rarely you will find this option to see in system because it is going to be obsolete soon. Okay. So here I'll just go through of all these integration first, PPM, CPM here in the slides, and then plant maintenance integration I'll explain in detail. Okay. So here let me start from this integration with CPM, commercial project management. So in yesterday's session we understood how to transfer your item to CPM project. So as per the new solution which is added in 2023, we are having option to transfer item into CPM project along with that PS project, and then same PS project will be assigned to the CPM project automatically. Okay, so same here it is depicted in this PPT. Here let's say this is one company ABC Limited which is looking to implement some project, and they are sending RFQ, and it is coming to the opportunity, and with reference to opportunity master project can be created, and then you can assign PS project to master project directly. So this is the case where you are not having PPM in picture. Okay, you are only implementing CPM and PS. So what you can do in CPM, you can create a master project, and PS you can create a PS project, and this PS project directly you can assign to CPM project. Okay, so here you will see one option to search the object. By selecting project definition, you can search the project PS definition and assign it to the master project. So this is the concept here. Okay, so if you are getting this question in your interview or anywhere when you are looking to implement this process, first you need to keep in your mind that we are having two options. One is from item to CPM project creation. Another is CPM project you can create directly, and PS project you can assign it to this project manually. Integration with PPM, portfolio and project management. We have already seen this step also, that in portfolio management we are having item, and with reference to item you can transfer it to PS project by using the template. So this template can be your operative project template. Okay, same will be used, and then it will be transferred as a PS project. So this configuration, all relevant configuration settings has to be done in PPM system. Okay, there is no setting available in PS project. Here my intention is to just explain this option so that if you are getting chance to work, then at least you will have idea that yes, in PS side, PPM and PS it is having some integration. So that is the purpose here. Integration with EPC. So as I explained in my yesterday's session, EPC enterprise project connector. Okay, this is going to be obsolete in 2025 December month. Then it will be available only in the cloud solution. Okay, as a EPC we are using to integrate between PS project and MSP or Primavera. So you can use this EPC as an interface in between to transfer the data between PS project to MSP and PS project to P6 Primavera. Okay. Now let us see the integration with plant maintenance. Anybody is having any idea of plant maintenance? Anybody? Any idea what is plant maintenance module? Why we are using?
Yes.
So, yeah. So plant maintenance.
In the
Okay. So plant maintenance module we are using to manage our maintenance. Okay. So whatever activity you are performing in your maintenance, that activities you can manage through plant maintenance module. Okay. In plant maintenance, we are having different maintenance order processes. Okay. Order cycles. So here first is the general maintenance. General maintenance. Then you are having breakdown maintenance. You are having preventive maintenance. You are having refurbished maintenance, and you are having calibration maintenance. Okay. So what is general maintenance? So let's say you are working in office. Okay, and generally, like when you are going through some area, okay, you notice that some wire is came out from uh, the pipe, okay, for example. So this is just by looking into it, you need to do some maintenance. You can inform to the maintenance team to do the maintenance for that. Okay, so that maintenance team will come as per their schedule, and then they will do the maintenance. Next is breakdown maintenance. Let's say there is some assembly line or production line, and motor has burned out. Okay, so in that case, that completely assembly line is stopped. So this need to be rectified on priority because it's a breakdown. Everything is stopped. Okay, so what you can do, you need to ask to the maintenance team, and then they will come immediately as per the priority, high priority, and then they will rectify this issue. Okay, they will rectify. They will do the maintenance for this motor. Third is preventive maintenance. So in every plant, every equipment, okay, it is having one preventive maintenance plan. So preventive maintenance plan is basically a schedule for a period of time where we need to do the maintenance. For example, if you see your car, whenever you are buying it, this you are getting a one booklet for maintenance from your OEM, and accordingly you need to do the maintenance. For example, when you are getting your car, you need to do the maintenance within 6 months or 1,000 kilometers. Once you have drove it 1,000 kilometer, you need to go for the maintenance, whichever is coming first. Okay, either it's 6 months or 1,000 kilometers, for example, and then further your major maintenance will happen after 1 year. Okay, so we used to have a schedule in advance, and then accordingly maintenance need to be done. Then third is the refurbishment. Fourth is the refurbishment. So let's say there is one big equipment, and within that we are having equipment within it, or let's say some substation is there, or let's say some big assembly line is there, where you need to just take out one specific equipment for refurbishment. Okay, so you need to do the refurbishment inside, or you need to send it to your contractor. Okay, there it will be maintained, and then it will return back to us, and then same need to be mount on the same function location. Okay, for example, in a previous example breakdown, if let's say that motor we are not able to do the maintenance, okay, and it is a highly valuated item, and what you can do, you need to take it out, you need to just remove from that particular location, and meanwhile you can put another motor in place of that, right, new one or whatever it was already available, you can put it, and then whatever having the issue, okay, whatever the burnout motor is there, you can send it to the contractor to do the maintenance, and once it is ready, then it will given back to us. We'll keep it in the inventory, so whenever similar motor need to be mounted or it is required, the same time it will be issued. Okay, and then maintenance will be done. Then we are having calibration is basically we are having standard equipment for calibration. So whenever we see any equipment is going to like stray away from its original reading, we can just compare with your template, which we are calling it as a PRTs. Okay, so that is a calibration process. So these are the maintenance process available in PM, and whenever we are performing any maintenance, we need to create a maintenance notification, and we need to create a maintenance order. Okay, so when we are creating a maintenance order in PM, the same order can be assigned to, it can be linked to WBS element or network activities. This is the integration point of PS and PM. Okay, this practice you can see in overall project, generally in plants. Okay, that they used to have a overhaul period. For example, let's say 3 months, these many units has to be overhauled, means like all the maintenance has to be done in this particular period. So for that you can create a project, and then you can create a schedule for doing all the maintenance of individual equipment. So let's say if you are having, let's say, 10 equipments which you need to do the maintenance, routine maintenance. So in that case, you can prepare a schedule that these are the activities need to follow to do the maintenance, and for this particular equipment. So for that purpose, you need to create a maintenance order in plant maintenance, and the same maintenance order you can integrate with PS by assigning WBS element to maintenance order. So here main integration point is you are assigning WBS element to maintenance order or network activities to maintenance order. And it is very important also because many interviewers are asking, and this is not very generic practice that PS consultant are using, because very rarely you will get a chance to work on any overall project. So just you need to remember that these are the points where it is going to integrate with PM order. Conceptually it is clear, or any question here?
Yes, sir. I have one query. Like for MM, when we select account assignment category P and Q, then we get WBS element option. Like in PM maintenance order, any such setting
Automatically.
is
There is no
auto.
nothing, no setting is there. It is automatic. So let us see here. We will see this process in system. Okay, it will not be in the fly. So see here, you can find the plant maintenance in logistics. Okay, it is, this module is also very interesting, and if you want, you can just go through of some of more transaction here in the plant maintenance. It is similar to network and activities. Okay, so here you are having option logistics. Okay, and the logistic you will see plant maintenance. Okay, then maintenance processing. So here we are having notification. So generally we are following with the notification, and then further we are creating order. But to understand here in this process, let us go directly with the order. Here we are having transaction. IW31 is to create a maintenance order, IW32 is for change, and IW33 is for display. Okay, so to create maintenance order, so let us understand conceptually how it is working. When you are creating maintenance order, first of all you need to select the order type. Okay, this is the profile, like how we are having network type. Here it is a order type. Okay, network is also type of order. As I told initially, I explained that order, the network is having order type category 20. Okay, so this order type is PM order type, which is configured in system, and the same you need to select it here. In a standard system, PM01, PM02, PM03, all these order type are there. Maintenance order, this is for refurbishment order. PM05 is for calibration. Okay, likewise system, it is given already in the system. Okay, so I am just creating maintenance order PM01. Next, for which function location or for which equipment we are going to create this order. Okay, you can select it here along with the priority. So priority is having its SLA, and then function location you can select. Let me find if it is there here. So you can select the function location, or if you are selecting equipment here, automatically function location will be selected to which this equipment is mounted. Okay, so let me see if equipment is there. Equipment number is not there. It is supposed to be. Okay, equipment is there. Okay, so let me just select one equipment, let's say gearbox. So now we are here. So this equipment gearbox is mounted to this location. Okay, you can see this. If you want to see this complete structure of this function location, you go to transaction IH01. IH01. You can see, let me just enter it here. Okay, then here select location hierarchy, equipment installed, equipment hierarchy, then execute. So you will see this hierarchy. There's a first level, there's a next level. So first level is general services, which is having plant air system. Within that we are having air compressor plant. Under that we are having compressor 1, 2, 3, like this way. Okay, the next level of, and then this is the equipment which is mounted on this location. So we have selected here, uh, and then automatically system is copied for planner group work center from equipment itself. And now let me enter here the description. Let's say this is a general maintenance. Okay, one. Enter here, you can enter start date and end date of order. And then here in this operation, you can see the operation. Okay, you can enter the work like how we are entering the work duration in network. Similarly, you can enter efforts. These are the efforts. This is a duration and calculation key and activity type like how we are entering in the work center. So all details is similar to network. Okay. Now here on the component, you can attach the material like how we are attaching the material component in network. You can see the cost here. It will be automatically calculated. It is similar to network cost planning. Okay. Objects. So whenever you are creating this order, you can add multiple equipment within it. So let's say if you need to do the maintenance for multiple equipments, you can add all these equipments here. Okay. Or function locations. And here on this tab, additional data, you will see this WBS element, okay, and network and activity. So whatever objects you are selecting, system will assign it to it. Okay, so here you can select WBS element, okay, and then save it. So once you are saving, this order is created. Okay, if you want to see, if you want to change it, okay, you go to order, go to change. You can see this additional data, and this is my project definition. If you want to see the report, in CN41N, you can see this detail. CN41N. Go to PS Info profile, enter project. Let me remove this order. Here, execute. Under the phase 2, sorry, this dot came here. Which WBS we have assigned? Okay, 1 second. Let me see here. Database profile. Okay. Okay, this should come here. Why it's not coming? C206. It's different. Here it is C.206. I have taken wrong. Okay, now I'll execute it. Okay, here to this WBS element, you can see this is the order. Okay, PM order is assigned to this WBS element. If you click here, you will see the operation. This is similar to activity in network, and under that you will see this is a work center. So here you can see these details. So you can assign directly to, you can here assign the network activities here, or you can assign WBS element directly. Okay, these are the two options available. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so what will happen once you will execute this order? Okay, so further this order will be used for next process steps like to create a PR, to create a order. Okay, and then further your service anti sheet, and then material will be received with reference to this order only, and then cost will be posted in this order. So finally, once whatever the cost is coming on this order, that will be settled, that will be posted to the project by using same WBS element which we are assigning it here. Okay, so quickly I'll just show you that. Okay, we'll not go for the configuration and all, but to just give you some more confidence in this area, I'm just going to perform some transaction here. You just see that. Okay, so here in the operation, let me create one service PR. Okay, so what you can do, you just change this activity type control key to 3, not 3. Okay, PM03. This is a standard operation carried out externally. Enter short text. Okay. Okay. So here I'm just trying to create a service PR. Service. Okay. So here operation carried out externally. Enter material group. Okay. So here we need to select the material group like how we are selecting then the PS same way. So this is my material group, and then purchase group also I'll select. Let's say this is purchase group, and here this is a, okay, I'll select this combination. and then press enter. Okay, and then select this here and go to external. Here it will take you to the similar steps like how we perform in network active service activity. So here service 01. Okay, quantity, let's say it's 1, 10. Okay, then gross price will enter, unit will enter, and then we need to enter here cost element also similar to service activity in PS project. Okay, now we can save it. So once you'll save, let us see again. Press enter, go to the operation. With reference to this, go to external, and now go to actual data. You will see this requisition. So this purchase requisition is created. Once you click here, it will take you to the same transaction. ME 53M. So this is a display. So like how we are creating automatic PR from project system, same way we can create a automatic PR from maintenance order also. So now the same PR will be taken further for service PO creation and service entry sheet. So when you are creating this, here you will see the account assignment. This is a order. F is order. Okay, and here D is services. So same concept we are going to follow here also. Clear? Any question? So you need to understand here whenever we are performing the maintenance, this cost will be incurred here on the maintenance order, and at part of periodic and closing activities in the settlement process, the incurred cost will be settled to PS project by using the same WBS element. Okay. If you don't have any question, let me move to the next topic. That is a
Eh, uh, for budget consumption will be there after this settlement only, or before that, means for plant maintenance order.
after at the time of settlement, because you are transferring cost, right?
Yeah, yeah. Means in PS side budget reports, we will able to see this once the plant order is there. Then commitment column will show that, is it, or
It will show as the actual cost, not commitment. No, no, it will not show anything. Whatever you are consuming in PM order with reference to this system will not show anything in the PS report. Okay, because it is not direct commitment with reference to your PS project. It is a commitment with reference to PM order, right? We
okay?
don't
Yeah.
have anything which is having overall option to see based on assignment of your PM order to PS project. Clear?
Correct.
So this is not going to show anything.
Okay. So budget consumption part, then we will not able to check like that. This much is consumed due to plant maintenance order, like that.
Maintenance, no, no, no. You will not be able to see. Only just you will see that once the you have done the settlement. Let us see this. Okay, already we have consumed, right? Some budget we have consumed. Let us see if we are getting any commitment here. Okay, because we have created PR, right?
Yes, yes,
Right or not? So for
yes,
this
yes.
particular project, let us see what we can see. Okay, you go to accounting, go to project system, go to information system, go to tools, go to
No, I lost the screen. I
no, how you lost?
means I am getting the
Same for me. I am not able to see as well.
Why?
You're not sharing it.
Ah, that is the reason. One second. Sorry. Okay, I was just changing some PPT. Okay, now you can see.
yes,
Okay, so
yes.
here financial, I'll go to the cost, go to plan based, go to hierarchical, and then I'll go to 533 report. So here database profile, and I'll remove this. Nothing is coming. What is this? Okay, nothing is coming because we don't have any data. We don't have any planned data. We don't have any commitment with reference to the same project. That's why it is not showing. They see nothing is coming. Even if you see here, so this means you will not see this commitment here. No object were selected using the correct. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Means
Next,
just one question was for plant maintenance thing. If they are want to go with PS budget, they don't have this type of visibility that budget was this much and this much is consumed. Like that, they will not able to see. No?
so you want to control the budget? What do you want exactly?
Yeah, yeah. For some plant maintenance work, if they make one project WBS with budget, and they are using this WBS in plant maintenance order, but will they able to see that budget consumption in PS reports then? Whether
No.
this much budget is
No,
remaining
no,
and
no, no,
this.
no, 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 no. They will not be. You can't see that. See, actually, again, whenever you are doing the budget planning, okay, here in PS project, uh, see, understand the account assignment object. Okay, here when you are performing the transaction in PM order, what is your account assignment? Are you posting your cost on WBS element or on order? Tell me.
On order.
Order, na? So this means
Yes,
system check with reference to order, not with reference to WBS element. Correct?
correct, correct.
So once
But
your
uh,
budget is consumed, then you are going to transfer to assigned WBS element. That time it will check in the WBS element.
yeah,
When you are transferring your actual cost, when you are settling to PS project, that time system will check, right?
yeah.
In that
So
case, your account assignment object, which is receiving the cost, that is a PS project. So how you can receive, because you are planning somewhere and you are keeping control somewhere and consuming somewhere, system will not check that one. So here we are having option through IEM you can control the budget. Okay, there is a one scenario when you can integrate your IEM and PM, plant maintenance, and other scenarios through fund management. There is one more module, fund management, through which you can manage it. Okay,
yeah, yeah.
so we are not going in that much of detail from fund management side.
It is more with FICO part, fund management.
FICO, just a second, please. Yes, clear. So let us move to the next topic. Okay, this is very important topic: validation and substitution. Okay, validation and substitution. Okay, what is the meaning of validation?
Particular condition, if it is not satisfied, then system will give that error.
Correct. So here validation, you just understand from this slide. Okay, first we'll understand the validation, then we'll understand substitution. Okay, so first of all, we are having prerequisites. Okay, where exactly this validation will be kept. If the statement is true, then system proceed to check area, otherwise allow the transactions. Okay, so when we are saying, let's say project profile ABC, okay, if project profile ABC, then only we are going to check this condition, otherwise we'll proceed with the transaction itself. So what we are saying, if project profile is ABC, my plant supposed to be 1710, or my person responsible supposed to be Ravi Kumar, for example. Okay, So this means if my project profile is ABC as a prerequisites, then only it is going to take it to the next. Otherwise, this will be proceed with the transaction. So here we are saying if the statement is true, then system proceed to check area, otherwise allows the transaction. And if we are coming in this loop, then we are checking if the statement is true, then the transaction continue. But if the statement is false, okay, then the system displays the message. For example, let's say if your profile is ABC, okay, and in that case your person responsible is supposed to be Ravi Kumar. So in first step, if system find that yes, the profile is ABC, then it will come to the check, then it will check, okay, who's the person responsible? Ravi Kumar. If it is yes, then it will proceed further. If it is not, then it will show a message that yes, this condition is not meeting. Please maintain the Ravi Kumar in person responsible. Likewise, you can keep the message here. So what is the purpose here? It is the purpose to allow specific project codes for project profiles. Okay, let's say I have taken some example here, and then prerequisites a project PSP ID like A star, and then check project profile is equal to 1000, and then action system checks if the project code starts with A, then project profile 1000 has been used for not. Okay, and then another validation we have checked for to check first level WBS code is same as project code. If your PRPS and STUF is not is equal to 1, so this is a prerequisite. Then system will check this and this, otherwise system will throw in error. So this is very good example to apply the validation. Many time when we are creating a first level of WBS element, we are removing that particular number, right? So we can keep a validation here. If it is not going to meet, then system will throw an error. So requirement is clear. If requirement is clear, then only we'll proceed for the next. Otherwise, we'll not see in the system.
Yes.
Okay, so let us implement. Let us see this how to implement here in the system. I'll go to CJ20N. We'll see some data here. Okay, let's say this is my project. Okay, and this is my profile. No, this is not my profile. Construction project profile. Okay, then I'll go here SPRO reference IMG project system. Go to structure, go to operative structure, go to work breakdown structure. Here you will see validations. Okay, go to validation. So this validation will implement on WBS element. So we need to come here. Okay, this is already implemented, but I'll just remove this and we will implement. Okay, let me remove this first. Save it. It is removed. Now to create a validation here, go to validation. Okay, here it will have, let's say validation is ZES001. Okay, save. Once I'll save, then you will see. Okay, then you click here and then go to steps. So once you click on a step, then system will show you prerequisites, message, checks and message. So here in prerequisites, let me just enter here validation. Okay, and then what is prerequisites here? Prerequisites in here WBS we are going to check when. Okay, you click here and then go to One second here. PRPS STUFE. So we are going to select level. Okay, so if you are not able to find, you just click here and STUFE. This is the code. Okay, STUFE level. PRPS STUFE. So basically you will see here PRPS, that is a table, and STUFE is the field within this table. Okay, we'll see this. We will discuss tables also in next session. I'll include this. So here I have selected PRPS STUFE, and this is supposed to be check here level 1. Select constraint level 1. I think it's 0 1. This need to check whether it is 0 1. Okay, 0 1. Okay, then we are going to check what is that. That is a project definition number, PRPS PSPNR, or PROJ PSPNR. See, so here this is a PRPS PSPOID. Okay, and PROJ PSPOID. So here PSPID. Okay, project definition supposed to be equal to, okay, then WBS element here PSPID. So that is a, sorry, PRPS. We supposed to go here in PRPS, and in PRPS, what is that field? PSPID. Huh? PSPID. Here it was POSID. So PSPID. POSID. So here system will check. Otherwise, message, you select on message error message will keep. Project definition and WBS are not same. See. So prerequisites, we can add one more thing in prerequisites. Let's say you want to only apply it for project definition, okay, and go to PROFL, PROFL, PROFL. That is a project profile. So project profile is supposed to be, okay. Let me remove this first. Okay, I have removed this. Okay, then let me remove this also. So I'll do this again. So PRFL is equal to, okay, constraint. Here select the construction profile. So this will be only applicable in construction project profile. Construction project profile. This is the first prerequisites. And your PRPS PRPS PSOID or STUFE. STUFE is 1. 0 1. Okay, save. That's it. Project definition is equal to WS element. Okay, message. Okay, save. So once it is saved, the same validation will be assigned to project profile. Okay, here if you see, this is the project profile, construction project profile. So you go here, PRO PSPRPS OPSA. This is the transaction code, construction project profile. Go to validations, So here we are having validation. Save. Now let me create a project by using same profile. Go to project. Okay. Okay. Test project. Construction project profile. Save. Now I'll create first level WBS element. Create WBS element test. Okay. Save. System should not allow to create it. System should validate it. Why system is not validating? Let me see. Validation, substitution, validation. Project definition WBS are not same. See, it is coming, but actually automatically it is not coming. Why it's not coming? System should not allow to. Okay.
At the time of saving,
No, 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 no. See here, there is a one option, automatic. I have not selected this automatic validation. This option. That's why it's not coming. I'll go again. So what I'll do here, let me just first keep it same. Okay. Save. And when I'll change it manually, for example, I'm changing it to keep 01. System is giving error. Okay, or let's say 001. Let's say 02 I'm creating manually. Okay, adopted. Project definition and WBS are not same. Now we are getting error. So here every time you need to keep the project definition and WBS, first level WBS element same. Clear? This is a validation process. And substitution, just take it as an assignment. You study it and try to understand. And if you are facing any issue or anything, you just let me know. I'll explain it if you are not able to understand this. Okay. So in next session, we'll start periodic and closing activities like settlement, result analysis, and progress analysis.